Hello, parents. I am Mrs. Montgomery, and I'm going to be your child's fourth grade teacher this year. I'm really excited to start the year, and I want us to be able to get rid of our frustrations and really put in positivity this year. So I wanted to send you a little video of my classroom website that I put together. It has important links, it has some parent tips, it has videos for you to watch on how to upload Google Classroom and how to use different platforms that we might be using. Right now it is a work in progress because I'm just learning now what the district is expecting, but I will be changing it up every day. But I would like you to kind of go through it before school starts on Wednesday just so you have a better idea of my expectations and how to contact me. So if you go to the home page and you scroll down, it will have all information about the first day of school, school hours, and then at the very bottom it has all my contact information. The best way to contact me is through Class Dojo. That's the easiest way for me to get your information, to send you information. You can send me pictures. It's very versatile and it's really the best way. So let's go to the next link. Important links. Here, this right here is really important. Clever. This is where your child is going to click to be able to go into Google Classroom. So this is their Clever portal. There's also important websites on here. Next one, we have some parent tips. I would really like if you guys should just go through this site and kind of look at the posts that I put on here. How-to videos. So I have posted some videos on how to get into Clever, how to get into Google Classroom. I also uploaded one in Spanish. And then I also have one about Kami, which that one's not super important right now. I will be going over that later, but if you could watch at least the first two videos, that would be awesome. And then the last page is our class schedule. The district has not finalized what our schedules are going to look like, so I'm hoping to send that out on Monday. But we will have a class schedule where the students will have to check in and get attendance, and I will be working with them. And at the bottom, this is linked to my Google Calendar where you can also locate it in Google Classroom. And then here is my distance learning classroom expectations. This will also be in Google Classroom. So if you could just go through my website and check it out, I will be giving you more information. So please don't worry about that and just know that I am here for you and that we are going to get through this together. And I am ready and I'm prepared for us to have a great distance learning experience. And again, if you have any questions or any comments, please dojo me. And please remember, I will be always checking Dojo during school hours, so Monday through Friday between 8 and 4. And I'm excited for this school year, and thank you so much.